Today we're making mason jar recipes.
Bok choy fidget spinner.
Oh, your whole face is gonna fall.
It's chaos. This noodle pool.
Don't forget to thumb this video.
If you're a fan of having oats for breakfast, here's an easy meal prep idea.
This is blended oats because apparently a lot of you seem to not like the texture of overnight oats. If this is you, this recipe is calling your name. Combining a few simple ingredients with an easily customizable recipe based on your preferences, you'll get an incredibly delicious and decadent meal prep breakfast idea to fuel your busy mornings.
Welcome back to our kitchen. Your favorite kitchen girlies are back, no longer pregnant, baby's asleep, so now we've got time to film some recipe videos. Finally, we're back in the kitchen. Blended oats. I've never had anything like this, but it looks pretty simple. We just have to pop all our ingredients into this cup and blend it up. In goes strawberries. You can measure, it's just we're gonna make a smaller portion. Our rolled oats. Cocoa powder, cacao powder. Then we need some chia seeds. Just do like 2 tablespoons. Still not measuring. Ish. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Maple syrup, you can add whatever your heart desires. 2 tablespoons of high protein yogurt.
High protein.
I know, high protein. Uyu, some milk. Oh, it's a lie. Just have a little guess, getting some rice at the back. Yeah, I think that. Next, we're gonna blend this. My arm hurts putting it down. Clearly have not been working out. I want to try it. You try it. Kind of tastes like a blended cereal.
Like a granola.
Can't waste it. Look at us, we're just like, thank God we only cook for ourselves. Strawberries as the base. Then I'm gonna pour in our blended mixture. Oh. Chocolate's melted. We're doing a layer of this on top. That's good. That looks freaking amazing. I hope we get that satisfying crack later. Now this is going to go in the fridge to set. Time for the moment of truth. I think our layer is a bit too thick. Hold on. Ready? Oh! Wow, were you impressed? The whole thing did not crack, but it shifted. We did one in a cup, so maybe this one will crack.
It's all chocolate discs at this point.
Guys, if you make this and you want that satisfying crack, only do a thin layer of chocolate. We're just gonna cut it, okay? Pretend that we got this satisfying crunch. I can't even cut it.
Can you just break it with your hand?
No. Oh! Okay, Lila's just gonna eat that chocolate. I ended up shaving a bit of that chocolate on. I will get to the rest, but let's just try it.
Cheers.
Actually, pretty good.
What does that taste like?
It tastes like chocolate, strawberries, and oats. This tastes bad for you.
Yeah, it's
Not
because of
healthy.
chocolate.
But the flavor and the texture is actually easy to eat. Like it's not, like, you know, overnight oats can be a little bit like, I don't know, like gritty, thick.
This is like blended, that's why.
Definitely try to blend your oats. It makes a big difference. Like I'm not a fan of like oats in the morning necessarily, but this I could dig into. Lila finished that chocolate. Wow, Lila. What would you rate this, guys? Obviously, we didn't execute it the best, but learn from our mistakes. Don't be too greedy with the chocolate. Actually, if you just add in these mini chocolate chips, it'd be way easier, and every bite you would get the perfect amount of chocolate. This healthy noodle recipe will save you time.
We're back with another recipe to help you save time and eat better. Perfect for a work lunch or anytime you need a quick bite. You can have it straight out of the jar or transfer them to a bowl if it makes you feel more civilized. Begin by prepping your veggies. You want to slice your carrots and peppers as thin as possible. Use a mandolin if you have one. Fresh cilantro. Measure with your heart. This soup is packed with tons of nutritious veggies and herbs. You get all the convenience of instant noodles, but with so much goodness from the homemade soup base packs so much flavor. Simply add soy sauce, miso, sriracha, garlic powder, chicken bouillon base, sesame oil, and a little grated ginger. Now we just layer on our toppings, beginning with some leftover chicken, edamame, bok choy, green onions, cilantro, and the rest of our veggies. Rice noodles or any quick cook noodle of your choosing, seal and store in the fridge. Let it come to room temp and fill with hot water. And seriously, so easy.
Welcome to my garden where I'm going to harvest some veggies for today's recipe.
In the balcony.
Actually, this is Alfred's hobby lately. He's just been growing a lot of stuff and it's flourishing. He's officially a balcony farmer.
Bok choy.
This is Alfred's bok choy. I cut it all off.
Oh, bok choy. What? Why is it a fidget spinner?
When you're feeling stressed, guys, just get a bok choy fidget spinner and you'll be alright. Is this lettuce?
Yeah, it's lettuce. You just cut the gang off.
That's not lettuce.
It's the worst farmer ever.
Wait, why is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? Oh no, it's down here.
You're ruining Alfred's garden.
Like I can hear it just crunching and dying.
This is lettuce.
You're not making this very appealing.
It's all tangled. It's like my hair in the morning.
We're back from our balcony trip and this is today's harvest.
This one's my favorite.
Why do they grow this way? I think because it's in like the hydroponic thing. It's a bit different.
Oh, it's like a hat. Oh my god. We're bok choy girlies.
Bok choy buddies. You want to be a bok choy
See
buddy?
me?
Bok choy buddy.
Choy bunny.
Am I the only one that's never eaten noodles out of a mason jar?
Me too.
I didn't have jars this big lying around. I had to actually buy this one. We've got a little crocodile in the kitchen. In goes soy sauce, a spoon of miso paste, sriracha.
Go, Lila, go. Go, Lila, go. One more. Go,
Keep going.
Lila,
Lila's
go.
gonna add in more garlic powder. Shake it up. Shake
Go,
it
go.
up.
Go, Lila, go.
Oh, nice.
A bit
Keep going, one more.
Yeah,
Nice.
wow. Oh.
She used like a chicken bouillon paste. I'm just using the cube stock. After that, we're gonna add in some sesame oil and then I'll add in some grated ginger. It actually smells really good.
Oh, your whole face is gonna fall in.
Next, okay. Are you gonna help me?
My whole face gonna fall.
Your whole face is gonna fall in.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
Lila's gonna pop some of the chicken in. You can just use any leftover protein you wish. Next, edamame is going in. Then you're gonna add your veggies. Bok choy, maybe. Okay,
Oh.
we're going all of it. Green onions. Put a bunch of coriander. We may have overdone it. Lila's gonna pop in some carrots. Mummy's gonna do the bell peppers. Then we're gonna add our noodles. So you want like thin noodles that can cook in just like the hot water.
What?
This is hutil noodles.
It's like the most unaesthetic mason jar assembly.
It's chaos.
So funny.
It's so funny. Okay,
right?
that's enough, darling.
Stuff it in. Stuff it in.
Stuff it in. Okay. It's chaos in the kitchen. Oh my god, this is this is it's gonna be filling.
Okay, now we close it up.
Here's our masterpiece. It's filled to the brim. Basically, you can have like a bunch of these jars in the fridge and then once you're ready to consume, you just add in boiling water. I'm gonna add in the hot water. Now I'm just gonna give this a good mix and get all that sauce flavoring.
Does that look nice to you? I don't know, man.
It does feel a little bit weird.
It's a bit wrong. Like,
There's something not right about this.
it smells really good though. Like,
It does. It actually smells legit. It's just bizarre to eat soup noodles out of a jar.
Looks like bean juice.
You made it worse, Alf.
Alf's on baby duty, so we're gonna be trying all these other recipes. Just us two.
Oh. It smells really good though, guys.
Let's try the soup base first.
Cheers.
Oh.
That is flavorful.
Oh my god. I'm actually surprised. I was thinking maybe I added too much water, you know, like, and it would dilute it, but it's actually full of flavor. It's like we made our own healthy instant noodles. The miso helps. It adds that like saltiness, the umami-ness, and then because we added all that fresh veggies in,
There's a bit of sweetness as
Yeah.
well, right? Like from the carrots.
I'm so surprised. I legit thought this would be a fail.
Whoa,
This noodle pool,
girl.
it's still like going. The noodles are cooked, so make sure you use like a thin noodle that will just boil real quick, because I think if your noodles were a bit hard, it would ruin this.
But I think it'll be much easier if you pour it out into a bowl and eat it.
Yeah, I feel like it's kind of restricted right now. Can you cut the noodles while Luna?
Oh my god. Runaway carrot.
The star of the show is definitely the broth, guys. Like the broth is actually full of flavor. Surprise, surprise. It's a double thumbs up, guys. I feel like it's pretty easy to make and you can just add in whatever veggies and protein you have. So it's very flexible.
What's up with all these mason jar recipes?
I don't know.
Does it taste better?
For some reason it tastes better when you slurp it like that.
Ooh. That hits the spot.
The only thing is I could not finish this by myself. I think we need like smaller jars if we're gonna fill it up like this. The thing that I like about this is that it keeps all like the veggies, like it cooks it well enough, but then it keeps a little bit of crunch so you've got that texture. This one is for all my salad peeps. Here's how you can prep your salads for the whole week.
If you like following rules, I have sad news for you because these mason jar salads don't really have any rules. But if you need a recipe, here's one I go back to at least once a month because I'm obsessed with buffalo sauce. I forgot to buy more dressing, so just pretend I put it in all the jars. The guidelines of making mason jar salads are really easy. Just put the soggy ingredients like the protein, olives, tomatoes on the bottom, and then put the crispy ingredients and the lettuce at the top. These stay fresh in the fridge for 5 days. If you have the wide mouth jars, it's super convenient to just eat straight out of the jar.
Let's make some salad. First, we're gonna add in the dressing. I'm using like a creamy garlic and caramelized onion mayo. I couldn't find the same one she used, but close enough. Ooh.
Oh my god.
And then some buffalo sauce.
Our little chef is here.
Our little chef is back to help. She took a little break to play with, what, did you touch any slime? Okay, puzzles. We're going on a train, yes. We're going on a train and we're gonna make a salad, okay? We're gonna add a handful of chickpeas.
Do like 5.
Maybe 5 of your hand.
Do 5, okay?
If you didn't have a toddler helping you, this recipe would be a lot quicker, but we're on Lila time, so. No, you're gonna do it. Ooh. Never tried it. Do you want to try an olive? They're salty, okay? You try, just try a little bit. Okay, I don't like it. In goes black olives, tomatoes, in goes red onions. This is the quinoa. Do you want to scoop it? Yes. Put it in the bowl. Oh, very nice. Okay, one more. One more.
Okay,
You are incredible. So I was gonna add some carrots in. Basically, you just wanna put all the soggy ingredients at the bottom and then build it up to like the more dry, crunchy stuff.
Stuff it in. Yeah, push it
She's
down.
got the perfect hand size.
She's
for
got
this.
the mason jar hands.
Yeah, you
Oh
can put that
yeah.
in. Oh yeah, put it in.
Push it in with your hands.
Push it in.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, Lila's masterpiece.
Another one?
You want to do another one? This is turned to a sensory activity for her. Maybe later, after we try it first. If it's yummy, we can make another one. If it's not yummy, let's not make another one. So now our salad jars are ready and you can just keep them in the fridge. When you're ready, you can just give them a mix, pour it out into a bowl and consume.
Shake it, girl. It's giving Logan's cucumber salad.
I guess you could eat this from here if you really wanted to. But we're gonna pour ours out.
Ooh.
Ooh, actually looks pretty good. This actually looks promising.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a pretty good salad, guys, legit. It's garlicky, it's creamy, and it's got that kick from the buffalo sauce. I think all it needs now is maybe like a bit of cheese on top.
Oh yeah,
You know, parmesan cheese. But other than that, it's actually pretty good. Not bad, not bad.
If you like have this in the fridge and you just take it out and pour it out, I think
I would
pretty
eat
good, yeah.
I would eat more salads if it was already prepped for me. Do you know what I mean? I feel like with salads, because even though it's pretty easy to make, assembling everything, washing everything, chopping it, everything every day would be a challenge. So if you had a bunch of these jars in the fridge, so easy, so easy.
Just like
Shake
dump one
them.
out every day.
Have a salad dump. This one's a double thumbs up. That is it to this video. If you guys want to watch more kitchen chaos, even though this video was not that chaotic, to be honest. Actually, no, it was. Lila was the mini chaos. We have a whole playlist up on our channel, so go check that out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye! I
I feel like we should do mason jar part 2.
Mason jars, like, who would have thought? Who would have thought?
It's kind of like one pan recipes.
One jar recipes.